Good morning. How are you all doing? Welcome to Learning Marathon. Today is a special day for my children, right everyone? So come on everybody, just get ready with all the materials. See, Komal ma'am is ready. Are you all ready? Today we will require A4 size white sheet or a newspaper. We will require pink or green color paper. And we will require a scissor. So come on everybody, just get ready with all the materials, okay? Yes, I am just getting ready with my materials. Come on. All my dear children are ready. Today is a special day and we are going to celebrate something special, isn't it? So are you all excited? Mehak, Sumya, Ridan, excited for the class? Today somebody is going to come in our class, okay? So just get ready. We are going to meet them and we are going to enjoy the session. Come on everybody. So let's get started. I'll again repeat the materials. For today's class, we will require white color sheet, pink color or red color sheet and a green color sheet. Okay? If you don't have colorful sheets, you can use newspaper also. Got it everyone? So welcome to Blue Flamingo Kids presents Learning Marathon, where we are just going to celebrate today. What is so special about today's date, children? 14 November. क्या है आज? Yes, it's my Children's Day. So happy Children's Day, my lovely kiddos. Today is a special day and we are just going to enjoy amazing storytelling and a craft session. So are you all excited? See, Komal ma'am is super excited. Huh? Are you excited? Yay! So love you my bachas and wish you a happy Children's Day. But you know what? Somebody is there in our class. Shall I call her? बुलाऊं मैं उसे? Yes. La 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 la. Hello everybody. I am Miss Rosie. Oh hi Rosie. How are you? I am good. La 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 la. Hello everybody. I am Mr. Jack. Oh, so children, in today's class, Miss Rosie and Mr. Jack are over here. Say hello to them. So, Miss Rosie, you tell me, why are you so special? So, children, this is a jacket and this is a rose. Why are they over here? What is so special about today? So, let's see what's so special. Okay, so, you know, I am a Nehru jacket, a band gala outer garment. Oh, a Nehru jacket. But what is Nehru jacket? You know, Nehru ji, that is Chacha Nehru, always loves to wear me. And soon, this Nehru jacket became a famous style globally. Oh, so children, this is a Nehru jacket which Chacha Nehru loves to wear. But Miss Rosie, can you tell me why are you so special? So children, Chacha Nehru loves to wear Nehru jacket and Chacha Nehru loves which flower? Sunflower? Lotus? No. Rose. So I am Miss Rosie. I am very special. Yes, I am associated with Chacha Nehru's attire. Chacha Nehru used to pin me every day on its coat. But Miss Rosie, why Chacha Nehru used to wear rose every day? Children, do you know why Chacha Nehru always used to pin this rose here? पता है किसी को? Tell me. Why? Okay, Shrinash, you know. Tell me why. So Miss Rosie is going to tell us. You know, Chacha Nehru used to pin rose as a reminder of his life with his wife Kamala, who passed away in 1938 after prolonged disease. Oh, see children, Chacha Nehru की wife थी ना Kamala. So in order to respect her, in order to remember her, Chacha Nehru used to pin this rose over here. आपको नहीं पता था ना ये? So Nehru jacket and rose, both of them are really very special for Chacha Nehru. And children, 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day because it's a birth anniversary. मतलब चाचा नेहरू का आज happy birthday है. And you know चाचा नेहरू really love kids. उनको है ना बच्चे बहुत प्यारे थे. And that's the reason 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day. So how was the story? Did you all enjoy the story? Yes or no? Yes. Wow, fantastic. So children, now today we are going to make something special. We are going to make Chacha Nehru's cap. Chacha Nehru टोपी भी पहनते थे, है ना? So we are going to make a cap and we will also make a rose. So are you all ready? Are you all going to do it along with ma'am? So come on everybody. Komal ma'am is just going to shift the camera towards the workstation. Okay? So come on. Just get ready. We will require a pink color sheet right now. Come on everybody. We will require a pink color sheet. I hope it is visible to you. So come on everybody. Just take a pink color sheet right now. You can take pink, you can take red, any color bachas, okay? Any color. Come on. Pink color, red color. We are going to make rose. Okay? We are going to make rose. So come on everybody. Take a pink color, take a red color, any color. Done? Now take a sketch pen or a pencil in your hand. And over here, start and make a big swirl like this. Jalebi jaisa बनाएंगे. Come on everybody. We are going to make like a jalebi. Come on. Take a pink color paper. Keep it in a sleeping position and make a big jalebi. Come on everybody. We are going to make a flower. हम क्या बनाएंगे? Flower बनाएंगे. Okay? If you wish, you can do it with this pencil also. Come on, Vitastha, Jaishnavi, Sanidhi. Very good, Johanna. Alfez. Wonderful. Done? If you are done, you can show me your thumbs up. And take a scissor, child-friendly scissor. Children, scissors are really very sharp objects. So be very careful while using scissors. Okay? Come on, my bachas. Take a scissor and we are just going to cut these lines. Come on, whatever we have drawn, we will cut it. Come on everybody, cut it. Round and round, round and round. We are going to cut round and round. Follow the lines, whatever you have drawn. We have made a jalebi. So we will just follow the lines and we will cut it. Okay? Come on everybody. Follow the lines and cut it. Got it? Everybody follow the lines and cut it. I want you all to just follow the lines and go round and round and cut it. Okay? Just go round and round till the end. You have to just go round and round and cut it. Come on everybody. Yay. Okay? Understood? If you have any doubts, please write it in the chat box. Whatever we have drawn, we have to cut it. Okay? Come on. So basically, we will get something like this. See, Komal ma'am will show you. We will get something like this. Okay? Yes, if you have any doubts, please write it in the chat box. Come on. हमने ये जो जलेबी जैसा बनाया था ना, उसको हमने कट कर दिया. See? Follow the lines and cut it. We have to cut it in a jalebi form. Got it everyone? You have to draw a jalebi or a swirl. Round, 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 round हमने cut किया. And we have to just cut it in a swirl form like this. Got it, my dear children? Very good. Super. You all are doing amazing job. Well done. And then we will require a small strip of green color paper. Come on. A rose flower has a beautiful rose and a stem also, right? So we will require a green color paper too. Come on children, you just cut it round and round and round and just be ready with a green color paper. Now green color paper को हम क्या करेंगे? I'm going to keep this aside right now. Green color paper, we will just make a stem. Okay, like this. Make a stem like this. Come on. You have to just fold the sheet nicely and make a stem out of it. Okay? You can just keep it as it is or you can just fold it. A small strip we will require. Come on. You can take light green, you can take dark green. Okay? Come on, let's do it. Make a stem like this. Okay? Understood? Stem, बच्चा श्रीनाश, we have just taken a green color paper and उसको हमने fold कर दिया है. Okay? A paper strip we have taken and we have just folded it. Got it everyone? Come on everyone. Let's do it nicely. For the stem, Komal ma'am has just taken a green color paper and I have folded it. Okay? Ma'am ने just fold कर दिया है उसको. Got it? Now what are we going to do is take a stem and what are we going to do? We are going to take the edge of this paper. Okay? And इसको हम roll करेंगे. Come on. Roll it like this. Around the green stem. We have to roll it. Come on. Roll, roll, roll it around a green stem. हम roll करते जाएंगे, okay? Take the edge and हम roll करेंगे throughout. Whole paper we are going to roll it. Roll it nicely. If you don't want to take a stem, it's okay. See, again I am showing it. You can take a sketch pen or something. Take a edge of this. Hold it over here and roll it. See. Roll it. Roll it. We have to roll throughout. Okay? Come on. Roll your paper nicely throughout the sheet. We are going to roll it. Okay? Got it, everyone? We will just roll it. Come on, let's do it nicely. Be little careful while rolling, okay? It should not be too tight. It should not be too loose. Roll it around a sketch pen. Come on, you can take help from your mama, daddy. See, if you will make it loose, तो वो खुल जाएगा, okay? So don't open it. Just try to roll first of all, and then we will open it, okay? Come on. Roll it around a sketch pen, and then when we will remove the sketch pen, it will look something like this. See? You have to just fold it and you have to just paste the rows nicely. Take it in your thumb, everyone, and just paste the corner. See, we have to paste the Fevicol over here, okay? So that the rows looks really pretty. See, it's going to look something like this. Okay? We will apply a Fevicol at the end. Ma'am is going to take a Fevicol. I'm going to apply a Fevicol and I'm going to paste it like this. Okay? We can even insert this stem over here and paste it. See. Insert the stem in between and paste it. Got it? So the beautiful, beautiful rose is ready. See, can you all see that? Come on. We will paste the stem later on. Just make a rose. Are you all able to do it? If you have any doubts, please ask me in the chat box, okay? Yes, just roll it, roll it, roll it. And the beautiful rose is getting ready. Look at a beautiful rose. See? It's looking really pretty. Very good, Johanna. Wonderful job. Well done. Come on, my dear children. I want everybody to do it nicely. Very good, Alphys. Very good, बच्चा. अब आप फेविकॉल लगा दो एंड में ताकि आपका रोज ओपन ना हो जाए. We will apply the Fevicol, see, over here like this, so that our rose will not get open. Okay? Come on. Just paste the Fevicol nicely. Apply it nicely. Very good. Wonderful, wonderful, Mohammed Azan. Pratham, very good. Very good, Samarth. Very good. Mama is helping you. Lovely. Beautiful rose, children. Beautiful rose. So we will pin it in our coat, okay? हम है ना बाद में pin करेंगे. Not right now. we can pin it later on. Okay, we can just apply a cello tape over here and we will pin it later on. So हमने चाचा नेहरू का रोज तो बना लिया. Now it's time to make a cap. So keep the rose aside and let's make a topi of a Chacha Nehru. Okay? Come on everybody. Let's make a topi that is a cap of a Chacha Nehru. Okay? So for that, take a white sheet. Come on everybody. I hope you all have made a rose. I'm going to wait for you all. Don't worry. Just make a beautiful rose. हम rose बनाएंगे and then we will make a cap also. We will make a topi. Chacha Nehru loves to wear rose. He loves to wear a Nehru jacket and he loves to wear a topi also. That is a Nehru cap. So we are going to make that cap. Okay? Shall we move ahead, बच्चास? सबने rose बना लिया or shall I wait? You can write it in the chat box. Everybody, flower is done. Shall we move ahead? Okay. So come on, let's move ahead, bachas. So for the cap, just take a white sheet. Everybody take a white sheet. You can even, okay, I'm going to wait, Ali. No worries, bacha. Come on everybody, I'm going to wait for you. You can take your time. Let's do it. Come on. Okay. So now do it along with ma'am, okay? So that you don't make any mistake. Take this white sheet. You can even take a newspaper. आप न्यूज़पेपर की कैप भी बना सकते हो, व्हाइट शीट की कैप भी बना सकते हो. ओके? Keep it in a sleeping position. Come on. Listen to the instructions. Do it along with ma'am. Keep it in a sleeping position. Done, everybody? Okay. Now this edge and this edge, we are going to fold those edges. Come on. Divide the paper into equal parts by folding it in equal parts like this. See, fold it everyone. Again I am repeating. Keep your paper in a sleeping position and उसको ऐसे fold करेंगे. Understood, everyone? Come on. Fold it like this. Got it? We have just taken our paper. We are going to fold our paper in a sleeping position. Now what are we going to do is, from both the sides, उसको हम अंदर की तरफ fold करेंगे, inside. Okay? So for that, leave a 2 finger and then fold it. Okay? See, मैम ने कहाँ fold किया है? अंदर fold किया है. Over here also. The edges should be sharp, children. Okay, you have to just make sure कि आपके edges एकदम sharp है. Point to point fold करेंगे हम. Okay, like this. Over here also, just try to fold it inside. Come on, everybody. I'm doing it really slow so that you all can do it along with me. Okay? If you have any doubts, please ask me. See, मैम वापस बता रहे हैं आपको क्या करेंगे. We are going to take a paper, fold it in a sleeping position, and from the sides also we are going to give one fold. Got it, everyone? हुआ सबका? Shall we move ahead? Yes. Lovely, my dear children. Lovely. Awesome. You all are doing an amazing job. अब क्या करेंगे पता है? Listen, look here everyone. We are going to open this flap. Open the flap. थंब डालेंगे और उसको ऐसे triangular shape बनाएंगे. See, insert your thumb and make a triangular shape. Got it? Over here also. Open the flap, insert your thumb and make this flap as a triangular shape. Got it? Understood? Sunita, Mama is helping you. Shreyansh, I'll discuss it one again. See, we have taken a paper, folded in a sleeping position. Then हमने side में से fold किया ऐसे. Got it? Now insert your thumb, make a triangular portion. Insert your thumb, make a triangular portion. Understood? Everybody? Yes or no? Very good, bachas, very good. Now what are we going to do is, we are just going to take this paper and fold it up like this. Come on. Just take the upper portion, fold it upwards. Okay? You can open it also. Turn the paper, turn the corners inside. Everyone, turn the corners inside. And again, you have to turn it up like this. Understood? I'll show you one more time. What we have done, ये corners ऐसे थे. मैम ने क्या किया? ऊपर वाला portion लिया. We will turn it up, okay, and press it. Then we are going to twist the paper. Flip the paper. Get these corners inside and again open it. Again you have to close it. Got it? So it will look something like this. Okay, my dear children, it will look something like this. Come on. यहाँ पे ये ऊपर पोर्शन ऐसे रहेगा and two flaps will be over here. Understood? Come on everybody, let's do it nicely. I want you all to do it nicely, okay? And we are just going to fold one corner from here like this and one corner over here. ये जो corners है ना उसको आप अंदर paste कर देंगे inside. Okay? On both the sides. Just insert the corners nicely. Come on. Over here also. Like this. If they are not getting pasted, you can use Fevicol. Okay? And try to open this. Try to open this. So, your topi, your cap is ready. My dear children, those who are not getting, I'll show you again. मैम है ना वापस बना के दिखाएंगे. Just give me a minute. Okay? See, I'll show you again with some other color paper. मैम वापस बना के दिखा रहे हैं. Okay? Don't worry. I'll show you again. Come on. Let's take another sheet. I am showing it again. Those who are not getting it, मैम वापस बना के दिखा रहे हैं. So don't worry. Take a sheet. Then we are going to keep a sheet in a sleeping position. And we have just folded our sheet into equal half. Okay? Like this. Come on. We have folded our sheet in an equal half. Right? Then from both the sides, हमने ऐसे insert किया. One from here and one from here. Understood? We have folded it inside. Then we have made a triangle shape. See, over here also we have made one triangle. And over here we have made another triangle like this. Got it? Understood? Yes. Very good children. Don't get confused. Do it nicely. Now we will just make one strip and we will just fold till the end. Just fold the paper like this. Okay? Now we will turn the paper. Get the corners inside. We will get the corners inside. Okay? अंदर की तरफ हम fold करेंगे. Again make one fold and one more. Got it? You can just apply a Fevicol or a stapler on the edge and we will just open the cap. And the cap or a topi of a Chacha Nehru is ready. You can just apply a Fevicol or a stapler over here at the edge. Okay? Over here. And you can blow it. See? So the Chacha Nehru cap is ready. If you have taken small paper, आपकी cap small बनेगी. If you have taken big paper, आपकी cap big बनेगी. Okay? See, like this. Just apply a Fevicol and paste it. उसको है ना 1 मिनट तक हम प्रेस करके रखेंगे so that it doesn't get open. Okay? So the Chacha Nehru cap is ready. Got it everyone? I have made blue color cap and a white color cap. Very good Mehak. Lovely. Bachchu, if your paper is really very small, you can take a big newspaper. आप न्यूज़पेपर से भी बना सकते हो तो आपकी कैप बिग बनेगी. ओके? वेरी गुड अल्फेज. वंडरफुल जॉब आद्या. सुपर प्राउड ऑफ यू सनीधा. लवली. You all are doing amazing job. Children, if you have any doubts, please raise your hand. I'll unmute you. If you want to share something, please let me know. Okay? Very good. See, you all are doing amazing job. Well done. So come on everybody. What are we going to do? We are just going to take a sellotape. See, I am just going to take a sellotape. Take a little amount of sellotape, huh? Come on everyone. Take a little amount of sellotape, roll it, roll your sellotape and apply it behind over here, okay, behind the rose. And this rose, you can just pin it near your jacket. I'll show you, see, from the front camera, Komal ma'am is going to show it to you, where to pin the rose. So yes, my dear children, where are we going to pin, you know? Over here, see, हमने यहाँ टेप लगाया ना, तो over here just keep your rose. आप है ना यहाँ पे paste कर दो, चलो. Everybody paste your rose there, and you can just wear this Chacha Nehru topi. Oh, it's really very small for me, but yeah, I know this will really fit you. So come on, everybody. Just wear your Chacha Nehru topi and show it to me. Yes, so this Chacha Nehru jacket and the rose, everybody is really very happy today. Wow, superb everybody. So wish you a happy Children's Day, all my little Chacha Nehrus. So everybody show it to me on the screen. Sumaya, Jaishnavi, Mehak, show me your rose, show me your Chacha Nehru topi. Very good. Cute everyone. The cap is looking really very cute. My little Chacha Nehru Sunita, you're looking really very cute. Awesome. So children, 14 November is your day. So just enjoy everyone. And yeah, don't trouble mama daddy, huh? But all my dear children, wish you amazing, very bright future. You have to listen to mama daddy, follow whatever mama daddy is telling you, and just do your best, whatever you do in the future, right? So all my dear children, I am really very happy that you all have joined the session, and we have made amazing craft of our little ones. That is, we have become little Chacha Nehru, right?